Lights are out. We're going to go green flag racing out of turn number 4. 25 laps of distance for $1,000. New series here at the Beckley Motor Speedway, the Legend Series. Going to join us in 2025. A little preview here for you. Green flag is out. Green, green, green. Green flag is out. Schoonover going to lead the way down into turn 1. He's going to slide up, slam the door shut on the number 21 of Stephen Parton. Parton cross him over, give the race lead to Parton. We got one around already down in turns 3 and 4. Caution flag is out. Caution flag is out, guys. Caution going to come out. That's going to be the number 83 of Corey McIntosh. Bringing out the first caution. Parton got a great start that last time. Was able to take the race lead down the back straightaway before the caution come out. Green flag's out. Green, green, green. Wade Schoonover going to try to slam the door shut on him this time as Parton tries to look to the inside. Can't make the pass. Down the back straightaway. Wade Schoonover trying to go back-to-back here in the Legend Series. He's going to work that bottom side as they come around to complete lap number 1. We got 1 in the books. Wade Schoonover trying to run away, but he's got a whole back bumper full of that 21 machine. Here comes the 520. That's going to be Tyler Scott working his way up into that 3rd spot. We got them together on the front straightaway. Looks like they're going to keep them green, but we got some debris. Looks like the debris is out of the racing surface. We'll stay green flag here as they come out of turn 4. Wade Schoonover continuing to be your race leader. As the 21 of Stephen Parton all over that back bumper. He is not letting him get away in that 21 machine. The 47 of Scott Martin going to pull it to the infield. His night's going to come home early. It's a 2-horse race still out front as we come around to complete lap number 5. It's Quade Schoonover and Stephen Parton, the 2 Peebles, Ohio guys, going at it as the 18 shoves up. That's going to give a monster run to the 21 down the back straightaway. The top 4 starting to break away from the rest of the field as the 520 machine of Tyler Scott and the 9 of Rick Hartwig. Schoonover going to lose the handle down in turn 1. That's going to leave the door open for the 21. They're going to drag race down the back straightaway. Into turn 3 and 4. Give the race lead now to Stephen Parton. Schoonover looks to cross him over. Can't make the pass. He's going to get right to the back deck lid of the 21 as lap traffic. Leaders coming on the 66. Hold your line, sir. Leaders on the inside, leaders on the inside. Stephen Parton making quick work of your lap traffic in the number 66. Leaders on the 69, leader on the 69, coming low. Leaders still on the 69, they're going low. Stay high, 69, stay high. The 21 machine of Stephen Parton continue to be your race leader as we click off lap number 10. Into 3 and 4. He's out to about a 4-car length lead now as they come by the start finish line with 11 laps in the books. Schoonover now in danger of losing that 2nd spot as the 520 machine. Tyler Scott closing the distance now for that 2nd spot as the 21 starting to pull away. Halfway home, the cross flags are out. We're halfway home in this one for $1,000. Handful of laps left before lap traffic pulls an issue again as they come up on the 30, the 66, and the 21. Last time back, Quade Schoonover was about a 1.2 seconds back. Leaders coming on the 66. Stay high, stay high. Just 10 laps left to go in this one. Now 9 laps as they cross the start-finish line. Leaders coming on the 69. Leaders on the 69. Hold your line. Piece to the inside. Stay high. Stephen Parton continue to be your race leader. Second spot now up for grabs. Leaders on the 21 and the 30. The leader is on the 21 to 30. Stay high, stay high. Leaders now on the 30. Stay high, 30, stay high. "19 laps now in the books. Lead cars to your inside, 21. Lead cars to your inside. Now on you, 30. Lead car on your inside. The 21 for the 520 now to the inside of the 18. Schoonover giving up that second spot as he tried to look to the inside of the 30 of Travis Mills. There's 4 laps left to go as these guys are picking these lap times up and putting them down. Battle still for that second spot as Stephen Parton continues to be your race leader. Caution flag, caution. Got one around on the front straightaway. One around the front straightaway. Caution is out. Your green flag out of 4. It's on you. Out, green, green, green. Parton on the loud pedal, leads him down into turn 1. Schoonover looking to the inside for that second spot. He's going to show up the racetrack. That's going to leave the door open as they try to fan out for that third and fourth spot. Two to go. 2 laps left to go here in the Legend Series for $1,000. Quade Schoonover full send into turns 1 and 2 for that third spot. Time around, white flag is out. Tyler Scott going to have one more shot at it down into turns 3 and 4. Not going to get it done. Peebles, Ohio, Stephen Parton going to get it done. Checker flag is out. Checker flag is out. You can stop here on the front straightaway and get your picture taken, then go across the scales when you're done. 520, 18, 9, and 33. Need y'all to cross the scales, please. Actually, it's feature time. Everybody crosses the scales. Make some noise for him as he climbs out. He's out of Peebles, Ohio. How about it for Stephen Parton? If we still got any youngins out here in the stands, I've got a bicycle to give it away. Arthur Jarrett Racing has donated a bicycle. It's for a young boy or girl, ages probably 7 or under. It's a small little bike.
No, it's in.